Hey Cruiser, welcome back to Cruiser Chris Craft. I'm Josh Wells, and today we are celebrating Stargazer's birthday. Stargazer was born January 31st, 1980, and while her diaper was still full, she moved from Michigan to Rhode Island, and she has seen a lot since then. This year will make her 41, but she's just starting to get broken in. So let's go celebrate Stargazer. This year, we want to celebrate Stargazer's birthday. And like every birthday, her journey through life. To recognize her birthday, we're going through all of the gifts we've given her as a crew throughout the last year. And we're excited for many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday cake!
Because after all, Stargazer is a member of our family.
A birthday is a yearly benchmark of how far we've come. It's a measure of our lives. What we've learned and what we've gone through. Birthdays were originally celebrated as moments when ancient Egyptian rulers were transformed into gods. This is what we celebrate. The Romans and Greeks normalized celebrating with their crews, which became a yearly party.
You guys up for a toga party?
Toga! 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 Toga!
We are celebrating Stargazer's birthday because she's 41 years old this year. In boat years, that's 410 years old. What are you gonna look like when you're 410? Will somebody be polishing you every day? What if we counted everything in like boat years? Like dog years or cat years? I think we should make that a thing.
This is how you know you're a boat owner. This is how you know you love the sea.
Stargazer has greeted the new day on the water more than most, which gives us the strength and confidence to keep pushing forward. The purpose of Stargazer is not to find out where she's going, but to find out where she's going to take us. Age is often associated with different kinds of values we hold in our lives.
Just last week I was 18. Just last week.
In our youth, we are seen as much more able, energetic, or high-spirited with success in our future. In our older age, the world may see us as weak or potentially past our prime. However, this view aims to discount Stargazer as a beacon of stability. Her ability to endure everything that comes her way and keep afloat when challenges arise. Most boats at 41 would have been retired or scuttled before this age. But Stargazer, at 41 like the rest of us, is preparing for the beginning of her next adventure. Stargazer's come a long way from being a Michigander. And she has had an exciting life before us. Multiple crews stood on her decks where we stand today. The Mariners Museum helped us understand Stargazer and her past. When she adopted us in the christening ceremony, it felt good to officially be part of the family. We hope that others had celebrated Stargazer's birth before, but we are excited to be celebrating it every year with her to the years to come.
Happy birthday! Woo! I hope you're hungry. You should see that toast. I couldn't even get it through the door.
Through this birthday party, we want Stargazer to know that her involvement in our life has been more than just a benchmark. She's given us a new purpose. Stargazer will continue to run long past her timeline with the newfound life she has received. In the past year, we've tried our hardest to give back to Stargazer in new and different ways. We have updated and repaired the swim platform by sanding it, repairing it, and varnishing it. We embedded the Chris Craft emblem, symbolizing how we respect her and the Chris Craft legacy. We cleaned her up inside and out, and added some personal touches like the curtains and the DIT pillows. We upgraded some features too, like the new windshield wiper motors and the carpet. We've all gotten a bit wiser.
So I'm not a smart hunter. Yeesh.
As long as we find time to tend to ourselves and the things we care about, it's possible for us to stay healthy and happy each birthday. They aren't about growing gray or reaching benchmarks. Birthdays are celebrations of how we push ourselves through hardships to celebrate our accomplishments. They are a way for people in our lives to make us feel special for a day, congratulating us on another lap around the sun, and showing their appreciation physically or unconditionally, as we take one more step to being a god.
Are you a god?
No.
Then
When someone asks you if you're a god, you say yes.
Stargazer's birthday celebration is a symbol of what she has done and will continue to do. Stargazer has seen all of highs and lows, and we have made so many memories with her. This boat isn't just a lifelong dream of an investment. She's something we breathe life into. She continues to hit the water each season and races off to wherever the call of the adventure leads. At 410 boat years of age, I think we would all wish for the stability like Stargazer. In the years to come, we want to continue and celebrate Stargazer's birthday by memorializing what we have done and what we will continue to give to her.
Happy birthday!
What?
We cherish every experience we have ever had with Stargazer because it's made us stronger as a crew and as a family. Happy birthday, Stargazer, and to many more. Thanks for joining us today, Cruiser. We love you. Make sure that you come back in 2 weeks for our Valentine's Day episode. Leave a comment down below to wish Stargazer the best on this special day. Make sure that you like and share this video. Hit the subscribe button down below. And as always, I'm Josh Wells. As Pope John the 23rd once said, boat projects are like wine. Some turn into vinegar, but the best improve with age. Or something like that. See you soon, Cruiser. We love you.